Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Press Windows plus R and type %appdata%, then enter. That takes you straight to the roaming folder where many apps store settings. Once done, make sure hidden items are visible in File Explorer's View tab so Appdata appears in your user folder. If you need the local folder instead, repeat with %localappdata%. This avoids hunting through users and subfolders. You'll land exactly where Appdata lives, so you can inspect or copy files. Once inside Appdata, use the address bar to jump between roaming, local, and local low so you explore each storage type. You can also press Ctrl plus F and search for the app name or a known file name to narrow results quickly. Make sure to check folder sizes and properties to confirm you've found the right data. If multiple versions exist, compare modification dates. This step uncovers configuration, cache, and logs that explain app behavior or let you back up specific files. To finish, copy the full Appdata path from the address bar for safe backups or to paste into scripts. This prevents manual typos. If you need to modify files, close the app in Task Manager first so no data is locked. Make changes, then restart the app to confirm results. If you can't see expected folders, check that hidden and system files are enabled and confirm your Windows account permissions. If access is denied, run Explorer as administrator or use an elevated command prompt to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.